Welcome to the channel. This is Michael with Copy Nerds. You can find us at copynerds.com. In this video, we're going to be doing an in-place update for PrintAnyWay Core. Let's go ahead and log in. We're going to go and check out the version that we're on currently to show you the previous version, and then we're going to go ahead and update, and I'll show you the new version when we're done. So let's go to Help, About PrintAnyWay, and then you can see we're on version 4.0.848.30768. Let's go ahead and minimize the window. You can see I've already downloaded the latest update, which is 4.0.8529.32225. I'm going to hit open. Let's choose more info, then run anyway. Go ahead and choose yes. Go ahead and choose next. Then uncheck the box next to the Microsoft.NET 5.0.13. Choose next. After it figures out what it needs to update, go ahead and choose next. Choose I accept the terms of license agreement, then next. Pick your language, and choose next. Then give it a second, and you're going to want to choose complete. Then select install. I'm going to be speeding up this in places, so if you see it go by quickly, it's because I've sped it up. You're going to see two pop-ups that are going to come up. And basically what they're saying is they need to update files or services that are already basically running currently. So choose OK so it can close out the application, update the files, and it's going to open them back up. After you choose OK, it's going to have and finish the install. Then you can choose Finish. It's going to launch the Service Manager to make sure everything is running like it's supposed to. Choose Yes. And then you can choose Close. To confirm that the update's been installed and applied, let's go ahead and open back up that web page. We're going to refresh. It's going to make us log back in again. Go ahead and log in. Scroll down the left-hand side to Help. Choose About PrintAnyWay. And you can see the new version has been installed. At this point in time, you can go ahead and just minimize your window or close out the browser and go ahead and delete the update. This concludes our PrintAnyWay Core update installation video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks.